A very good morning to one and all. My name is Aditi Ramdas Bari, a student of Deep Education Society, SAS Institute of Management Studies. Today I am going to present a PPT of organization behavior. My topic name is whistleblowing. Whistleblowing. Whistleblowing is the instant of reporting info or activity to an appropriate person. Features. Individual act. Whistleblowing is an act of an individual, that is a person or a group of person. Moral motive. The whistleblowing is done for a public good rather than some selfish motive. Responsible belief. The whistleblower believe that the conduct for an activity reported is inappropriate. Calling attention. Whistleblowing means calling attention of proper authority to something which is wrong. Expectation of positive response. A whistleblower expert the organization or external agency to respond positively. Voluntary act. Whistleblowing is a voluntary and deliberate, as there is no legal obligation to do so. Several types. The person blowing the whistle may be an insider or an insider or an outsider. It may be against a person, an organization, or a group and a government. Type of whistleblowing. Internal whistleblowing. It is refers a disclose about the improper conduct of a person within the organization. Its purpose is to get the matter investigate in accordance with the organization rule and procedure. External whistleblowing. It refers to disclosure to outside agencies such as the media, for enforcement authorities and public interest group. Personal whistleblowing. When a person or class of person is subjected it immoral behavior or exploitation to disclosure is called personal whistleblowing. Corporate whistleblowing. It is refers to disclosure about misconduct on the part of a company. Government whistleblowing. It refers to disclosure about wrong or immoral conduct on the part of government officials or department. Motive of whistleblowing. To enforce ethical conduct. Whistleblowing is done to make the person or organization realize and adopt ethical behavior. To highlight the dangers. One of the reasons behind whistleblowing is to point out the possible dangers from the use of a product to technology. To highlight threat to public. Disclosure is also made to point out the danger to life and product property due to defective product or technique. To motivate towards morality. One of the motives of whistleblowing is to inspire the managers or government officials to adopt morals, value and ethical practice. Is whistleblowing morally justified? When whistleblowing is based on appropriate motive or utmost good faith. When the whistleblower has all internal channels. When the whistleblowers belief regarding the inappropriate conduct is based on reasonable evidence. When the whistleblower's action has some chance of exposing and or avoiding the moral violation. When the whistleblower action is commensurate with responsibility of avoiding and or exposing. When whistleblowing is morally unjustified. Breach of trust. When the disclosure amounts the breach of trust on the part of the person making the disclosure. Internet channels not used. When the person making the disclosure has not tried internet channels to prevent or stop the wrongdoing or misconduct. Insufficient evidence. When there is lack of clear and substantiated evidence that the organization is doing something wrong which causes serious harm to the other parties. Little chance of success. Whistleblowing is not justified in case it is certain that it will prevent the wrong. Advantages. An insider has first-hand information compared to an external investigation agency. He may therefore be able to supply clinching evidence or pinning down the guilty. An insider may give early warning signal which may help about cooperation. Protecting whistleblower may deter corporate behavior by others, making whistleblowing official and acceptable would obtain enemies, petting and unauthoring leaks. Problems. In an organization, whistleblowing breaks a unwritten code of silence, which expects every employee to be loyal to the order. Officially encourage whistleblowing may discourage corporate behavior, which will also discourage initiative and the willingness to take bold and quick decisions. In the present politically and morally weighted administrative environment, is there no risk of whistleblowing being used a blackmail, coerage and even bosses. After the whistleblowing case has been justified, the honest whistleblower has faced the mental energy. Creating whistleblowing culture. Format a policy. A clear-cut policy reflected committed to ethical conduct must be developed. Publicize the policy. The policy should be given wide publicly through memos, newsletters, annual reports, etc. Top management support. The top executive must fully support the culture of honesty, truth and openness. Investigating the follow-up. All the agency must be promptly investigate and appropriate follow-up must be taken. Case of pistol blowing in India. Case 1. One of the early cases of whistleblowing in India is when frozen Feroz Gandhi disclosed the Mundra scam in Life Insurance Corporation of India (LIC). The irregularity was highlighting in 1958. Nehru, as the leader of the ruling Congress Party, wished to have a LIC matter handled quickly, since it might show the government in a poor light. Thank you.